Shigu G90 FT8 with CE19 digital interface card. Step-by-step easy setup with pre-made audio jack. Let's get it on the air. You will need the following items in order to successfully set up FT8. Let's go through them. The CE19 digital interface card. An external sound card. The blue Shigu data cable. The 3.5mm male-to-male stereo Y-splitter. This is used instead of building the kit cable that came with the CE19. The 8-pin mini-DIN cable. The G90 powered on, connected to an antenna or dummy load. A computer with WSJTX and FLDG pre-installed. Let's set up the CE19. Start by connecting the mini-DIN into the X50105 socket. Plug the single end of the 3.5mm Y cable into the AFCON slot on the CE19. Plug the two 3.5mm male ends into the audio jacks on the sound card. Before connecting the sound card and blue USB cable to the computer, take a screenshot of the device manager. This way you will be able to tell what COM port is new when the devices are plugged in. Plug the sound card into the computer. Plug the blue USB cable into the computer. Carefully plug the 8-pin mini-DIN into the ACC interface jack on the back of the radio. Plug the 3.5mm end of the blue USB cable into the data interface jack on the radio. Please note the radio should be on when this cable is put in, and remove it before turning the radio off to protect the firmware. Press the mode button to cycle the radio to UD. Short press the funk button. Press POW. Set mic gain to level 10. Press POW again. Change the input from microphone to line. Optional settings. If you are using a narrower filter than the default, it is advised to set the filter at the widest possible setting. I find that AGC does not degrade performance if left in the auto setting. Others do choose to turn it off. Time to get the software going. Back to the device manager. We see now that everything is plugged and we have a new COM port. Please note the new COM port. Your computer will most likely issue a different number than one shown here. Open up FL-Rig. If there are errors, just accept them. Go to the Transceiver Setup menu. Choose Shigu G90 for the rig. Choose COM port number. Hint: this would be the new port we seen after everything was plugged in. Change the baud rate to 19,200. Press INT. Verify rig control by changing the frequency on FL-Rig and watching for corresponding changes on the radio's display. Start WSJTX. Go to the Settings menu. Click the Audio tab. Select the external sound card for input and output. Click the Radio tab. For rig, choose FL-Rig. Please note that FL-Rig needs to be running in the background. Click Test CAT. It will turn green if good. Click Test PTT. It will turn red if good. None of the other settings need to be changed. Adjust the input volume. Open the sound settings. The input for FT8 is the microphone on the external sound card. Lower or raise the volume so the volume peaks right around 70 on the meter. We are adjusting the output to the radio to maximize power while avoiding overdrive. Our goal is to set the output so that the signal is not overdriven, maintaining an ALC of 100. Additionally, we want the power output to be 10 watts. You can fine-tune the output power by adjusting the slider on the right. The speaker on the external sound card is the output to the radio. Additional adjustments can be made by adjusting volume in sound settings. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you get on the air and making FT8 contacts with your G90 and CE19 card. We kept it concise, skipping a long intro and using an AI voice to eliminate filler words like AHS and you knows. If this video helped you, please support us by hitting like and subscribing. Thanks. Ron W9RWG. Special thanks to Chris KD9YGK for loaning the G90.